Hi, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to tink back or work back and undo my stitches so that I can correct a mistake I may have made. Now I have here a combination of pearls and knits, and so I'll be able to show you both of them. So this one was supposed to be a pearl. I made a knit, so I stopped and I'm going to insert my left needle into the stitch and slide my right needle out. Let that come out, and now my stitch is undone and ready, positioned in the right way to be worked correctly. So to do that with the knit stitch, it's the same process. I'm going to go into the knit hole from the front to the back, slide the right needle out, pull that out. So I can do that all the way back to wherever my knitting mistake was, and that allows me to correct it. That is called tinking back. When you get to where you need to be, check your pattern, see what you need. 2 knits, 2 pearls. There you go. And then you keep knitting and all the stitches are turned the right way.